Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious jalapeno pickles at home. First, gather about 1 pound of fresh jalapenos. Wash them thoroughly, then carefully slice each pepper into uniform 1/4 inch rounds. Next, ensure your glass jars are sparkling clean and ready for packing. This preparation is key for safe and tasty results. Now, let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 2 cups of water. Stir in 2 tablespoons of pickling salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, ensuring the salt and sugar fully dissolve. This hot brine is essential for proper pickling. With your brine ready, it's time to fill the jars. Carefully and tightly pack the sliced jalapenos into your clean glass jars. Once packed, slowly pour the hot brine over the jalapenos, making sure to leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. It's important that all the pepper slices are completely submerged in the liquid. Finally, let's seal and store your delicious creation. Securely place new lids and rings onto each jar, tightening them firmly. Allow the jars to cool completely at room temperature on your counter. Once cool, transfer them to the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. Then, your homemade jalapeno pickles are ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.